Welcome to ChopChopChef. Today I would love to share with you my version of a Croque Monsieur. So this is a very, in other words, maybe a ham and cheese sandwich. I can't say that too loud because maybe some people will be offended, right? But for a Croque Monsieur we need a sourdough bread, we need a beautiful leg of ham, yeah? We need of course Gruyere. I use as well a little bit of a Swiss cheese, but my Gruyere I just shave nicely up. Yeah? Butter, a little bit pepper, and most importantly on this one today is our bechamel sauce. And this bechamel sauce you will find already on my YouTube channel. Yeah? So if you look it up. Okay, so we got already the basic mise en place set up. What we're doing now is we're taking two of our slices of the sourdough bread. Easy done. We're taking some of our bechamel sauce. Still a little bit warm because I just cooked it this morning. I better put that one here. Okay, so this is an easy thing. So this one, we are not too shy. And this actually the difference to my recipe, what I have on the YouTube channel to this bechamel sauce, is I used only full cream. Yeah, just cream, no milk. Yeah, so if you want to do the really good version of it, let's make this bechamel with cream only, no milk. Okay, well that was very simple, right? So this is the first thing. Then what we do next, we're taking our ham, yeah? And I say this many times when I do sandwiches, try to stay when you put it in the how the bread is shaped, right? Don't leave it hanging over like that, you know, this is not nice, you know, it's all waste. So we try to stay nicely how the bread is shaped. Yeah? And I slice it very thin, so I'm quite generous with this one. We put a little bit more on it. So okay, so we have our bechamel, we have our leg of ham, and now comes of course the cheese, right? So now comes the cheese. Yeah? So put a little bit of the Gruyere cheese on it. Yeah, nicely. Again, we are not too shy. The Gruyere, this is the most important thing. Yeah, and just for the flavor, the combination, I put as well a little bit of a Swiss cheese in there. Yeah. So have a look at this. Okay. I put this one back. Okay. Bechamel, leg of ham, Gruyere cheese, and now hocus pocus. Yes, we're just putting this whole thing back together with already the bechamel sauce here. And zack, zack, zack. Easy done. Now we take this whole thing and give it a nice shallow fry in nice butter, golden brown, and then we continue. Now we're taking our bread, this, and make it nice golden brown. Okay, we leave it in here for 2-3 minutes, turn it over golden brown, and then I show you next. Okay, so one side we have already achieved our nice golden brown buttery color, right? With a little bit nutty flavor. Yeah, that's what this is all about. And now the other side, just give me probably 10 more seconds, and we got this one ready. Yeah, and now then we put it on this tray. And then we put it in the oven first for say 3-4 minutes by 180 degrees. But watch that space, watch that space. Okay, now we take that baby out. Ouch. There you go, we'll put this one on here. Okay, let's put that one on the side. What's next? Yes, you would not believe. We put a little bit more of our bechamel sauce on here. Right? Just this one, this time not too much, yeah? Just tiny bit. Yes, like this. And then our remaining cheese goes all on top here. right? All over the place. Bang, bang, bang. As I say, not too shy, not too shy. And now we put this tray in the oven. So inside the cheese will melt nicely, the bechamel gets nice and hot, and later on when we cut it, it oozes out, right? But first it's just the normal standard heat, because we want to achieve then as well a nice golden crust on the top. For that we just switch our oven to grill. But let's do this one first. 3 minutes, 180 degrees. Okay, our Croque Monsieur is in the oven. I turned it already for the grilling mode, yeah, top heat grilling. And I tell you what, it's looking very good. So we have to be patient maybe for 10 more seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, watch that heat. Yes, be ready. Da 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 da. Oh, so nice! It is so nice. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let's bring this one over here. Of course, this is hot. What a question, right? And I know a lot of people out there know already. Now, this is a Croque Monsieur, right? Now, if I would have a sunny side egg, sunny side fried egg, right? The sunny side up, a fried egg, and I put that one over here, just a fried egg, sunny side up, then we would call this whole thing Croque Madame, right? But today it's a Croque Monsieur. And we slice this one just simply in the middle. Okay. And now let's see how it unveils. You see this beautiful? Look at this one. So nice, right? The nice leg of ham what we have here, right? The cheese, the bechamel sauce, and all this cheese oozing out there. So nice, right? So, ladies and gentlemen, for you to enjoy ChopChopChef's version of our famous Croque Monsieur. Thank you so much. Have a look at this. Have a look at this. Have a look at this. It's so yummy. Oh my God, is that good? Alrighty, till next time. Thank you.